Hello everyone, my name is Ayan.
I'm Chandrashri.
I am Ritu.
We are the Touristar team.
India is a place with lot of diversity. Every popular tourist destination will have hundreds of places which are worth visiting. However, the usual guided tours cover only a few places. Also, when on a guided tour, people tend to stay with their group.
We envisioned a new experience where people focus on what they want to see in a particular location based on their interest. They choose a hotel or stay with a peer in the same location based on their preference. While sightseeing, they can choose to have a peer show them around or choose a verified guide. To see what people wanted in a tourist app, we conducted a survey. We surveyed people we knew and also visited the Mysore Palace to interview tourists. Only 25% of the people we surveyed wanted to look at the main tourist attractions. All of them wanted to be guided by someone who lives in the location and wanted experiences to share with friends and family. 80% of the people we interviewed wanted to connect with people with similar interests. They had good and bad experiences with tour guides and said that they charged too much and were often lacking in knowledge.
When we looked at the problem on the internet, we found that even though guided tours are often hectic, crowded, and do not cover specific interests, they are the safest option for travelers. Foreign tourists, especially, do not feel safe while in India.
We also found that people feel that tasting local food is an important part of the travel and that peer-to-peer sharing platforms were preferred by travelers.
Our app can be used by tourists, tourist guides, people who wish to offer spaces for rent with or without acting as guides, as well as hotel owners. Once the user registers, they are taken to different screens to enter their details. We will do background checks on the people registering and then add them to the main database. Tourists go to a screen where they can choose the place, date, their area of interest, and accommodation preferences. They can then view a list of private accommodation providers or hotels and select one. Then, they go to a screen where they select the tourist attractions they want to explore. An itinerary is then generated for them with the names of the guides, timings for each attraction, and places to have lunch. If selected for the top 350,
I, Tanushree, mostly worked on the app.
I, Ritima, mostly worked on the research.
and I worked on the writing.
We hope our app enables people across the world to experience tailor-made tourist experiences. Thank you.